Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I will be present about the river water quality prediction system. As we all know, water is the main source of life, so polluted water will give impact for living things, especially human. So the river water quality prediction system is used to predict river water quality. It will emphasize the use of artificial neural network as algorithm. The system also may facilitate Selangor's environmental department and also consumer. Next, for the objective part, the first objective is to study artificial neural network algorithm in water quality index prediction. The second one is to develop water quality index prediction using ANN. And the last one is to evaluate the accuracy of the ANN in predicting river water quality. Next, for the system architecture, the dataset will be collected from the Selangor's environmental department and then will be cleaned in the data pre-processing part before being used in the training phase of the ANN. The user then will enter the values of parameters such as the value of pH, nitrate and so on, and then the value will be used in the engine of the ANN, where ANN will first initialize the input weight and hidden value and then calculate the function for each layer which represent the values of neuron. And then the ANN will produce the output by selecting class from the result. The output then will be turned back to the user interface in order to be displayed in the form of water class and also water status. Next, for the result and discussion part, the first parameter that are being used in order to evaluate the accuracy of the ANN is the number of neurons in hidden layer. The values that are being used is 8, 16 and 32, and the highest accuracy that we got is when we use 16 number of neuron with accuracy of 88.02% and loss of 0.082. The second parameter is split data ratio. There are three different combinations that are being used, which is 70/30, 80/20 and 90/10, and the highest accuracy that we got is when we use the combination of 70/30 with accuracy of 88.44% and loss of 0.081. Next, for the novelty part, the system can make Selangor's environmental department easy to categorize river water status. The system also can facilitate consumer to determine quality of nearby river, and it will also help students in education in order to improve their learning session. The system are important, especially to Selangor's environmental department, where they can use the system to predict river water quality. Besides that, consumer can use the system to get initial cautious on the water quality at nearby river, and after that, students can also use the system to enhance their understanding in river water quality. The system needs to be commercialized so that it can benefit many parties. The system can use to enhance the effort to keep the river water clean. The system also produces trustworthy prediction of river water quality result. And both consumer and Selangor's environmental department together with the students can use the system. As a conclusion, the system can predict river water quality accurately. The system also can give trustworthy result. It can categorize water in the form of water status that consists of clean, polluted and slightly polluted. Besides that, it also shows the class of the water that range from 1 to 5, where the higher the number, the lower its quality. It will also give high performance with accuracy of 88.44%, which is acceptable, and ANN is a powerful algorithm. Now, let's have a look on the system demonstrations. I have entered the value of all the input, and when I press the predict button, it will produce the result of water status of slightly polluted and water class of 3. So user can also refer to the output reference below the result section. Next, let's try on another input values. So I have entered the second input values for the demonstration part, and when I press the predict button, it will produce the result of river water quality prediction with water status, polluted and water class of 2. I think that's all from me. Thank you.